Hello everyone, all students grade 5. Well, welcome. Today's video we are going to study new lesson, solar system. And we begin this. I want to talk today a small part for the last periods: transparent, translucent, and opaque. First of all, I want to make differences between three parts. Transparent, that means is an object that allow most of light passes through it. So they hardly cast a small shadow. And also translucent is an object that only a small part from light passes through it. So they cast a small part from shadow, and also opaque, that don't allow light passes through it. And the same figure below that includes transparent, translucent, and also opaque. Opaque, that the part is object that don't allow light passes through it. And the last part is sensor, that used to measure intensity of light. All these parts I explained the last parts. So let's start with us. Today I want explain a small part of solar system. The Earth is a part of a system in space called the solar system. Solar system that includes the sun, first part, and also includes planets. So focus with me to understand this point. The Earth is part from solar system. So start from this point, solar system, that check this figure that includes the first part, the sun, and includes another planets from Mercury to Neptune. So focus with me and understand all these structures, all these planets, and also sun, that includes in one group called solar system. Solar system from the sun, first part, and another, I can say, others planets that revolves around the sun. Let's move on another part. The first part from the solar system, the sun. The sun located at the center of the solar system, and all planets revolve around it. So the sun is a star located at the center of the solar system. So the first part, again, the sun, the first part from the solar system that located in the star is located at the center of the solar system. Let's move on another part for planets. Planets, listen to me: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All this includes a group of solar system. So solar system starts from the first part, sun, and includes another planets from Mercury. Again, Mercury, 8 planets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 planets, and also the sun that includes from inside the solar system. Solar system includes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All these planets. So I give you, explain a small summary. Solar system includes the sun and 8 planets. Planets from Mercury to the Neptune. Let's move on another part. The sun, the first star, is a giant ball of gas. A giant ball of gas. This is the first part from solar system. And you understand one point is very important point in this lesson about the sun. The sun major source, the main source of light and heat energy. So listen to me for this point. The sun is a star is a giant ball of gas that mean the major source of light and heat energy on the earth. So without the sun, no life on the earth. Without the sun, no life on the earth. Let's move on another part for satellites and moon. Satellites and moon, check this figure, that satellites is an object that found in space and revolve around another object. Earth and satellite. But found differences between planets. Some of it include planets and another don't have satellites revolve around it. So Earth have one moon that revolve around it. And I explain a small part for the color of the Earth is blue, because the Earth have more lands and also lots of sea, so it looks blue color. This is the third part, the last part for satellites and the moon. Let's move on another part about the moon. The moon is the second brightest object in the sky, in space, after the sun. So the first structure, the first brightest object called sun, and so the moon is appeared in the sky, brightest, you can say bright object, because it reflects the light from the sun. So the first object, the first star is sun, the major source of light, the main source of light, and also the moon. The moon, it appears brightest inside in the sky after the sun, because it reflects the light from the sun. The sun have heat and light energy, and also the moon take the light from the sun. You can say another way, it's correct, it's best for you. You can say it reflects light from the sun. So it appears brightest after the sun, brightest object after the sun. So I give you, and you must watch this video, the solar system song. It's very important point, and you must watch all this structure in video, and after I come back.